Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I woke up to the sound of birds singing, chirping, and it was so beautiful. Then I heard the ice, some of the ice slide off the rooftop, the ice, snow, fake snow, whatever it is. Have you guys seen a couple of those videos where they're showing people are putting lighters to this snow and it's not burning, it's turning black? Yeah, so maybe you guys will check some of those videos out. I know a couple of people did over in Houston and other parts around here. I was going to test ours and then I said maybe not. But anyway, so as you can see here, what I have before me is the product of looking at a beautiful journal, seeing some beautiful papers, and I'm referring to Tanya. Tanya, yes, you have done this. I purchased this one first, and then I saw it. I fell in love with this one, and then this followed. No, I purchased, I think, these two. And then, as you can see, I was like, okay, so I'm not just going to talk. I am going to flip through this and talk a little more. But what I want to share with you is I got these off of Amazon. And they're called gift and creative papers, okay? So you can use them as gift wrap or be creative with them. I've opened these two, of course, as you can see, and I think I opened that one as well. I was that excited about it. But I'm going to show you what they look like. So you get, let's see, there are 12 sheets, but they're large. So I'd have to tear it out, and I really don't want to tear it out yet. Okay, so, well, let me flip through and I'll show you. You get all of this. And I think, no, let's just flip, because I put these up on the shelf a few weeks back and left them there. I was going to do a video over them, and then I didn't, you know, it's just how I do sometimes. Okay, so you have all of this. And before I flip through the others to show you, as you can see, this one is Flora. I want to show you what they look like. I don't want to mess up something here. Okay, so it's perforated right here. Perforated, whatever. You guys know. I'm being very careful because I do not want to tear them. But if I did, it'd be okay. I could have also just torn them out of the book that way. But let me show you how it goes. How I believe it goes anyway. Okay, so this is what you get. And it also... Yeah, I should have just torn it out. You know what? Let's stop being a coward. Let's stop being a wimp. Don't be wimpy, Clemmy. Okay, so it folds out like this, and then it folds out like that. So you get all of this to play with, you guys. Oh my goodness. And the back of this, see, that's the white. Look at that. So we don't even have to coffee dye that if we don't want to. And it's lovely. It feels almost like parchment paper. It feels delicious. So you get all of that. And let's see, I thought it was going to give me a size. So to give you a reference really quick though, I need a ruler, people. Oh, let's just use Timmy. Or is this one longer? No. Okay, so, well, you can see there It says about, is that about 18? About 18 inches that way, yeah. And look, it's at least 2 feet that way. So nice size. Let's put my rulers back in their respective places. Okay, so there's that one. I had to go back. I love this one so much. And this is also, I purchased 3 of these. Now people are like, why are you going to use that? Because I'm going to use the heck out of these. Let's go to the butterfly one since that one is already opened. Look at this. Do you see butterflies, you guys? Natural history. So it has everything. Flowers, butterflies, and I thought it had other bugs. Let's see. But oh my gosh, I'm in love with that. Look at all the butterflies. Yep, it has bugs. I remembered correctly. And mushrooms. Look at this, you guys. OMG. The fruit. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Wonderful. 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 Botanical. Nature. Forest. Whatever you want to do. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Oh my goodness. I only have 2 of these. I may go back and get another one because I'm going to tell you how I plan to use these. Love this. This one has like a conglomerate of everything. Okay. So I'm going to open this one now. I'll open these ones and we'll see what they look like together on the inside. Okay, this one is floral engravings. Now, imagine what you can do with these papers. So, this is what I am going to do, or this is how I'm planning on using these, okay? So, I need to put together myself a journal, or a couple of journals fairly quickly. And then as I go along, then I can embellish. So, and I need to do that before my new year comes in. These are going to be like end papers for me. They can all be end papers, not just these ones. But as you can see with the design of them, how they would be lovely as end papers. The first ones that I showed you, the natural history one with the butterflies and bugs, and then the flora one, those can also be end papers. If you'll watch Tanya's video, you can see how she's used them, but she'll be doing it, well, her flip will be more in depth than the one that I did of hers. But you'll be able to see how she used it. You can use them as pocket tucks and stuff like that. Look at that. I love that. This one is flower prints. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay. Oh my. Looky, 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 looky. Looky, looky, looky. Wow. I'm looking at it because I'm trying to see if I'm going to put that in the journal that I'm working on. Let's see. Oh, this is bold. Pop right out. Okay, now this one is kind of shiny versus the other ones. This one's a bit shiny. Okay, the last few are shiny. I'm not too crazy about that, but that is what it is on that one. Now this one is Art Forms in Nature. I'm loving that already. Let's see what they actually look like. I'll have to go out there and get a piece of ice and burn it for you guys, or a piece of snow. Oh man. Look at that. That looks, oh wow. This is really nice. Yeah. Okay, so these are going to go lovely in some journals. Okay, so we talked about, what did I say I was going to use these as? You can use them in papers, little fold-up pockets where you fold the paper up and then use it as a tuck. Like I said, the way Tanya used hers. You can make tags out of these. You can collage with these. I wonder how, if you go over and, you know, protect the outer journal, could you use these as journal covers as well? I'm sure that you could. I'm not sure if I want to try that, but oh my, y'all. I really like this one as well. This one's a banger. How y'all don't understand that probably. This one's that one's a keeper. Now, of course, I've already talked about end papers, but this one is Vincent van Gogh. So, of course, we think end papers with him. We can also think tags, collage. Collage. I like collage. We'll say collage. And there the crazy sucker is. Was he really crazy, though? Who knows? Did he really look like that? Whatever. Look at that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. The trees. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are just beautiful papers, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's almost like, yeah, beautiful. Okay, there's that one. And last, but certainly not least, the marbled papers. I purchased some other marbled papers around here somewhere. Okay, there's this one. Marbled paper designs. And there we go. Now, how many end papers this will probably give you? That's 2, 4, 6, 8. Should it be 8? Yeah. No, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Why was I saying 2? So that's 8 pages you can make. So you can create 4 for 4 journals. The inside of them. Yes, these are lovely. And I don't have to, because I was going to try to do that, make my own marble papers. I had the stuff on Amazon, and then I was like, maybe not. You know, oh, I love this. Not saying I won't ever try it, but just not right now. Look at these, you guys. Now, I love, love, love these. Look at that, the green and the purple. And there you have it. I think I was going to try and create something with you on camera, but we may take a pause. Maybe I'll add it in, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just do a quick 14-minute video. We'll see about it. So you guys have a wonderful morning, a wonderful evening, or a wonderful night, wherever you are.